Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on digo.com. So let's get started. First head over to digo.com and click on sign in. Now click on sign in with Google. Select your Gmail ID and click continue. Now type your username here and choose a password. So this username is taken. I can write. This is now okay. Let's choose the password. Now click on create the account and connect it with Google. Now click on this plus icon and click on bookmark. Now add the URL here. Let's copy the URL, the website address and paste here. Now click next. Now add the description and paste here. Now click on add. Your profile backlink is now ready. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.